Are you looking to export Thunderbird address book to CSV file format? We've got you covered. We'll show you 2 easy methods to export Thunderbird address book to CSV file. Let's see the manual method to save Thunderbird address book to CSV. Using the export option, open Thunderbird, click address book option, and choose the desired address book. Select a contact to preview details. Click 3 dots next to selected address book, and select export. Set destination path, and select CSV as saving option. And lastly, click Save. Now let's check the Pro method to export Thunderbird address book to CSV. That's where the BitRecover Thunderbird Converter Wizard comes in. Just visit the official BitRecover website and download our Thunderbird address book to CSV conversion tool. Launch the software, and click Next to begin. Add Thunderbird data using auto or manual mode. Select the address books you want to convert. Choose CSV as saving format, set the destination path, and lastly, click Convert. Let's have a look at the comparison between the manual and professional methods. And that's all for this video. Visit the given product link today to download the product. For any queries, email us at support@bitrecover.com.